In this video, I'm going to teach you how to mount Samsung Odyssey G7. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to mount your Odyssey G7 on a wall mount or monitor arm. So first, I just want to make something very clear. Because this is going to differ for every single model of monitor arm or wall mount that you have, I cannot give you specific instructions for your specific one. So I'm going to give you general instructions that will most likely apply for most models of your monitor arms and wall mounts. So to start, you will have to set up the back of the Odyssey G7. But when you look at the back of your Odyssey G7, you will find the place where you can usually mount it with the standard mount that it comes with. So as you can see, it simply locks into place. However, if you don't want to use this standard mount that Samsung provides, and you want to use a monitor arm or a wall mount, then what you will have to do is insert 4 screws in the back. So for this example, I'm going to use this monitor arm. So as you can see, you basically have to screw the monitor arm into your table and mount it on top of the base. You will be able to control the height, the orientation, the swivel, the angle, and so on. Once you have your monitor arm set up either on the table or on the wall if you prefer, usually there will be 4 holes where you can screw in your Odyssey G7 or any other monitor. This is a standard called Visa mounts. So all that you have to do is screw your monitor into these 4 holes right here. So all that you have to do is place it with the screws provided, and you will be able to screw it in. You can follow the manual for your specific one. As you can see, for this particular model, they recommend screwing the 2 screws at the top and using them to gently place the monitor on the mount that they have, and then you can do the remainder of the screws. They recommend 2 people to carry it, but it is likely that you can do it alone. And as long as you have the 4 screws properly inserted on the back of this mount, you will be good to go. Now you will have the monitor mounted, you will be able to control its angle, and so on. There are a lot of manufacturers for monitor arms. You can choose whichever one you prefer according to the reviews online. Most of them will serve the same function. I hope I was able to help you on how to mount Odyssey G7 Samsung. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.